All right, guys, I have something exciting for you today. Well, maybe more exciting for me, but that is the newly purchased Hackillac. While at Axialfest this year, I ran into Josh with Harley Designs, and I'd watched him build this through the reels on Instagram, and I knew I had to have it. I saw the original build on RC Crawlers years back, and I really liked the way this truck looked. Facilitated through a couple friends and some connections, I was able to pick it up. I did not notice at the time that I picked it up, it had not been ran. So I was really excited to get out on the trail and get it running. I did a mild trail run. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. Gonna try to keep this rig nice. This was probably the easiest I've ever crawled a rig. And if you know me, it's hard to not beat the crap out of things. But I have some running video. Hopefully you guys like it. I'm going to get some more running video of this thing and some running video on the rocks coming soon. If you didn't check out his build video, I'm going to link it in the description below so you can check it out. It is a really well-built, well-thought-out truck. A lot of it, 100% of it is custom built. It is based off of the Axial Basecamp. Full custom cage, obviously. Custom panels, full custom interior. The floor is carbon fiber. The roof is forged carbon fiber, and it has a cool release mechanism, which is awesome. There's just a button on the bottom that sits into that little post right there, and it's easy to pop in and out. It is really easy to use. I love the gold wheels. I love the stylings. I think I need a Burt Reynolds for the driver, but until then, we might use Bob's from Bob's Burger. He looks a little scared, so I think I'm going to cut his torso, see if I can just set him down in there like that. Like, what up, guys? So, check out the video. Hopefully you guys like it. If you haven't done so far, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.